Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Right now, Sandro Maje is on sale, 25% off for new arrivals. So I'm showing all new arrivals, so you guys can take a look and then see what you're gonna get. Yeah, it's all on sale, 25% for new arrival. So let's get started. I'm gonna try on some Maje clothes and then I'll show you which one I bought. I tried polo style jacket sweater and contrast tweed skirt. I love this look. Isn't it so cute? With the same top, I tried the check jacket skirt. I would prefer, no pattern at the bottom or top. This is too much as a set. So I would match with like white skirt. Okay, this one I got it. I really love this dress. It's not too much. This toned down pink color is so lovely. So I tried tweed skirt with a pink knit cardigan. Knit cardigan is so cute, but right now it's almost summer here, so I don't think I'm gonna get it now. And it was not on sale, so I'm gonna wait for sale. I was almost getting this short sleeve tweed jacket. See the color? It's almost same as this new season Chanel tweed. So I was almost getting it, but it was not on sale either, so I'm gonna wait for sale as well. This knit cardigan was not on sale either, so I'm gonna wait for sale. But I prefer the other tweed, almost look like Chanel one. But this one, I didn't like it. The color was too shiny. I love this tweed top and the skirt, especially the skirt. There was a denim trimming. This one also kind of Chanel style. So I was almost getting this tweed tank top with chain. You don't need to wear like necklace, so I love the detail. But it's kind of thick for summer. Even though it's a short sleeveless, I think it's gonna be too hot for now. This sparkling long sleeve cardigan, I loved it. It's so lovely. And a little bit there is a like shiny part. I loved it, but it's too hot. I'm gonna wait for sale. This was not on sale. This lightweight short sleeve sweater is kind of cute. I like the button down all the way. Yeah, I think I'm gonna match with like white skirt instead of this tweed. I love this navy shorts. You can match with any top for summer. It's very practical style and kind of feminine as well. I liked it. So I like black trimming of this like red checkered tweed dress, but it's all the way tweed like as a dress, so I think it looks a little bit hot during summertime. Now let me try it on Sandro. So I was just trying it on. The skirt was kind of big size, but I was just trying. I would get just skirt with the right size. So I love this cropped cardigan with top stitch. Love this black trimming, but they didn't have the right size. I could order online, but it was not on sale yet, so I'm gonna wait for 4-season sale. I love this wool and cashmere sweater, but I have a kind of similar style, but I love the black trimming with a chain on the neckline. This is so fancy. I love this ruffle color sweater. This is so cute, right? But it was too hot now, so I'm gonna wait for more sale. Now it's 25% off, but I'm gonna wait for like 4-season sale. So I got this wool sweater with a white shorts. I love these both, so I actually wore for my trip this time. I like this tweed dress, especially the color is the perfect green for summer. I like this polo dress as well, but it looks a little bit hot for summer because it's a fitted style, but I love the red trimming. I like this short tweed dress as well. This is so cute. I love the color. The button is so cute. I took some video during my trip with my favorite dress I got, matching with my bags. Which bag matches well with my dress? So this top kind of cardigan is same as the dress, right? Short cardigan is from Maje. The white skirt is from SANDRO. This beige short sleeve sweater top with lace collar is from Maje. This Maje sweater goes well with the white skirt from SANDRO. How do you think? This white knit skirt is from winter sale. It's a little bit thick, but perfect for summer because it's white color and then it's not like hot material. I can match with any top. If you saw this look from Instagram, yeah, you guys really loved it. I got this. I love this denim shorts with a lemon color top sweater. The top sweater can be a little bit hot for summer, but at nighttime, it can be chilly. I wore this for the trip at night. I loved it. Also, you can detach this color, so I love to wear in both way. This can be more casual style. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed my try on and haul. I love Maje and SANDRO. Now these are all 25% off for spring sale. So go for it if you like some style. They have so many decent, elegant, very feminine style. I love their style. So see you. Bye bye.